Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the phone and charger so fast charging can begin immediately. Use the OnePlus 30W Warp charger and its certified USB-C cable. Third-party, low-power adapters slow the process. Remove thick cases to prevent heat buildup, and set the phone on a cool, flat surface. Once done, close background apps and enable airplane mode or do not disturb to reduce CPU load. These steps lower thermal throttling and let the charger deliver maximum current safely. Now you optimize conditions for sustained fast charge. Plug the charger straight into a wall outlet. Power strips and hubs can drop voltage and reduce speed. Make sure your Nord is on the latest software so charging firmware works properly. Briefly inspect and clean the USB-C port of lint or debris. Do not use wireless or low-power chargers if speed matters, and keep the ambient temperature below about 35 degrees to prevent thermal limits from cutting charge current. To finish, monitor the charge and unplug when you reach your target. Many keep it at about 80% to extend battery life, while full 100% is fine when needed. If charging stalls or speed drops dramatically, reboot the phone and plug in again. Temporary software hangs or thermal sensors often reset. If problems persist, swap to another original OnePlus cable or charger to isolate a faulty accessory. This single test quickly tells you whether the phone or the charger.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.